Hey YouTube, what's up? Hope you guys are enjoying your H501S RC Drone Club here. Guys, I am here to talk about the batteries of this H501S and share my experience with you. I have these two batteries you seeing right now. These both are aftermarket knockoff which I got. This left one I got from AliExpress and the right one is from Banggood. Both are like $20 batteries. They are cheap and they are easily available, and I am not happy with the performance of these batteries. I fly a lot. I fly my H501S a lot, so therefore I use batteries a lot. The original battery which came out of the box lasted 2 months for me with like 60 flights approximately, and with the 20 minutes after that that started swelling and time was reduced for 15 minutes and then 12 minutes and then 10 minutes. So the battery which I got from out of the box, the original Hubsan battery, that was really good. It lasted like for 2 months for me. I have used aggressively and I have had 2 to 4 flights with that battery, that original battery, and it has given me more than 60 flights with the original battery, and it lasted 2 months for me. But these aftermarket batteries, after that original battery, after 60 flights, that battery was gone bad, and then time was reduced for like 15 minutes, then 12 minutes, then 10 minutes, and after that I threw it out. And that's the point where these two batteries comes in. Then I bought these two batteries. First I was searching where to buy here and there, and I was surfing and I was asking people where to buy the good batteries, and then I ordered one from the Banggood and one from the AliExpress. I have purchased from the different sellers, from the different websites, in order to check which one is good, which is the best quality, so in future I can order from that. I ordered from the different websites to check the quality, so in future I can order the good one. So these two batteries are no good for me, and I am really pissed on these knockoff batteries. Like they just lasted 1 month for me only 30 flights with 20 minutes of flight time, and after that the time is reduced to directly 10 minutes. That's not good for me. Like the original battery lasted 2 months, more than 50 flights, and these are gone bad after 30 flights. Yes, they are cheap. They are for like $16 to $20 you can get, and the original battery is from $25 to $28. Yes, there is a significant difference between the price, but original last longer, like 20 to 25 flights more, and they are gone bad on just 30 flights. Now I am out of the batteries. So my conclusion is, guys, if you buy cheap knockoff battery, you must know that it will last for 30 to 32 flights maximum. You will not get out of it. And if you go for original battery, you will get 55 flights out of it. Then it will start going bad. You should buy these knockoff if you fly less, and then they are okay for you. If you fly all the time like me, if you fly more, you should go for original batteries. They did not work for me because I fly more. Now if you are interested in these, you can fly. If you fly less and you are not bothered about these knockoff batteries, you fly less 1 or 2 times a day or 1 time a day, or you just fly at weekends, you can buy these knockoff batteries because they are cheap, and you can save a lot of money from these. If you fly more, if you fly aggressively, if you fly daily, and if you fly daily 2 or 3 times, so these batteries are no good for you. But if you fly less or you fly on the weekends, you should buy these knockoff batteries. They will last 2 to 3 months for you, 30 to 35 flights for you. I am going to put the link in the description for you guys, because this is the cheapest deal I also bought from here. So if you fly less, you can buy these batteries, and if you fly more, you have to buy from Hubsan, that original batteries. Now I have no batteries. These batteries are just doing 8 to 10 minutes for me, so I am really pissed off 10 minutes are really bad for me. I'm used to 20 minutes flight, and I fly more. I fly more, guys. These batteries are not good for me. But if you fly less and if you fly on the weekends, you should buy these batteries because they are cheap, and you will save a lot of money. So the link is in the description. You can buy that deal. This is the cheapest deal. I also bought from there, and you can enjoy. For me, my new batteries are coming now, and I'm going for 4000 mAh 25C battery. This original battery is 10C, and now I am going to 25C. So 4000 mAh 25C battery. So I'm waiting for that batteries. When they arrive, I will test those batteries and I will share my experience with you guys, that what happened with those batteries 4000 mAh. If they gave me more flight time and more power to the cord, because I was searching these batteries and I'm researching and watching reading blogs and watching videos. So once my batteries arrive, I will show you those batteries and I will test those batteries on my cord, and then I will share my experience with you that you should buy or not. So this was my experience with the knockoff batteries. If you fly less, you can go for them and you will save a lot of money. And if you are aggressive flyer, you fly daily and you fly more than 2 flights daily, you can go for the original ones. So that was my whole experience of these original batteries and knockoff batteries. So I hope you have got more information in this and you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Thank you, guys.